Just a short demo to show CPU throttling on MINIX Neo G41V-4 mini PC. So, okay, here we can see the chart of the frequency, and here we can see the clock. Now it's okay. In most cases it will run at 2.3 GHz, but after a while it will drop to 800, 900 MHz or even lower for a short time, for a few seconds. And then go back up. And I guess we can see on the chart how it looks like. 2.3 GHz and then big drop, go up. But what's a little confusing is, okay, maximum temperature is 90 degrees. So maybe something happened when we reach 90 degrees, but here we can see there is no thermal throttling detected and no power limit either. So it's some other mechanism that makes the frequency go up and down. Probably because there is a cutoff at 90 instead of oh, maybe this is the junction temperature. I thought it was 105. Okay, that's what I wanted to show. Alright, thanks for watching, bye bye.